Hello and welcome to this video about investing in 2023. With the new year upon us, now is a great time to start thinking about your financial goals and how you can invest your money to reach them. First, it's important to understand the different types of investments available to you. There are three main categories: stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for higher returns but also higher risk. Bonds are loans to companies or governments and offer more stability but lower returns. Cash equivalents, such as savings accounts and money market funds, offer the least risk but also the lowest returns. Next, it's important to create a diversified portfolio. Diversification means investing in a variety of different types of assets and industries to spread out your risk. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others in your portfolio can offset those losses. It's also important to understand the concept of risk tolerance. This refers to the level of risk you are comfortable taking on in your investments. Everyone's risk tolerance is different, and it's important to invest in a way that aligns with your own personal risk tolerance. Another important thing to consider is your time horizon. This refers to the amount of time you plan to hold your investments. If you're investing for the long term, you may be able to take on more risk in exchange for higher potential returns. However, if you're investing for the short term, it's important to be more cautious and focus on stability. So, now the question is where you should be investing in 2023. With the ongoing pandemics and economy's uncertainty, a lot of investors might want to be careful and consider investing in a mix of stocks and bonds, keeping a balance between higher and lower risk investments. Keep an eye on the market, and stay informed about any new developments, and make changes to your portfolio as needed. In conclusion, investing can be a great way to reach your financial goals and build wealth over time. It's important to educate yourself on the different types of investments available, create a diversified portfolio, understand your own risk tolerance and time horizon. And finally, keep an eye on the market and stay informed to make smart decisions in the year 2023. Thank you for watching this video on investing in 2023. We hope you found it helpful, and wish you all the best in your investing journey.